protection plan is essentially furniture insurance without any excess. For a reasonable cost, it covers life's little accidents, such as spills and stains, or damage like a rip or scuff, for up to 5 years. It allows you to choose the furniture you really want and use it freely with total peace of mind. In the event of a claim, our aim is to restore it as soon as possible by repairing it or replacing the damaged part or even the entire item of furniture. Protection plans vary dependent on the furniture retailer, but generally they cover accidents like food and drink spills, ink and dye transfer, rips, scratches, tears and burns. It's important to note that they don't cover frame damage or softening of interiors, known as structural faults, or a build-up of staining or damage and general wear and tear. Structural faults are covered under the manufacturer's guarantee period, which is 1 or 2 years. A protection plan has a fixed indemnity value. That's the amount of money that we can spend on repairs, parts and replacement during the lifetime of the plan. It will either be the amount you paid for the furniture or £15,000, £25,000 for beds, whichever is the lowest. Each time a claim is made, the amount of money will reduce. Guardsman, love your furniture.